In this video, I am going to walk you through the step-by-step process of selling your woodworking projects. From finding your niche to pricing your work and reaching customers. Let's get started. Step 1. Find your niche. The first thing you need to do is figure out what you want to sell. Are you into making small, affordable items like cutting boards, coasters, or wooden toys? Or do you specialize in larger, high-end pieces like tables, chairs, or cabinets? Your niche will help you focus your efforts and attract the right customers. Think about what you enjoy making most and what's in demand. Pro tip: check out platforms like Etsy, Facebook Marketplace, or even local craft fairs to see what's selling well. Step 2. Price your work correctly. Pricing can be tricky, but it's super important. You need to cover your material costs, factor in your time, and still make a profit. A good rule of thumb is to calculate cost of materials, labor, how much your time is worth, overhead, tools, workshop space, etc. And don't forget to add a profit margin. If you are just starting out, research what similar items are selling for online. Do not undervalue your work. Quality woodworking is worth every penny. Step 3. Build your brand and online presence. If you want to sell your work, people need to find you. Start by creating a brand name and logo that reflects your style. Then, set up an online presence. You can start with social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, or Facebook. Post high-quality photos of your projects, share behind-the-scenes videos of your process, and engage with your audience. You can also create a simple website or online store using platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or even Facebook Marketplace. Make it easy for customers to browse and buy your work. Step 4. Sell locally and online. Do not limit yourself to just one sales channel. Start by selling locally at craft fairs, farmers markets, or even through word of mouth. Local sales are a great way to build a loyal customer base and get feedback on your work. At the same time, expand your reach by selling online. Platforms like Etsy are perfect for handmade goods, while eBay or Amazon Handmade can help you reach a wider audience. You can even take custom orders through your website or social media. Step 5. Deliver a great customer experience. Happy customers equals repeat customers. Make sure your packaging is professional and protects your items during shipping. Include a thank you note or a care guide for your products. And do not forget to ask for reviews or testimonials. Positive feedback can go a long way in building trust and attracting new customers. Step 6. Scale your business. Once you start making sales, think about how you can grow. Can you streamline your process? Invest in better tools? Offer new products? You can even teach woodworking classes or sell DIY kits to diversify your income. The key is to keep improving and adapting to what your customers want. Remember, success does not happen overnight, but with passion, persistence, and a solid plan, you can turn your woodworking hobby into a thriving business. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips and tricks. And hey, drop a comment below. I love to hear what you are working on and how your woodworking journey is going.